The bottle's in the bottom.
Then on top.
This is my friend Courtney, and today she's gonna help me make a compost bin. First, we headed to Goodwill, where we looked for secondhand bins, but couldn't find any. Oh, amazing.
What? So cool.
Little chicken wings. Next, we went to Ace Hardware.
Love foul language. What the flock?
How many gallons of compost do I need?
All the compost.
This employee was helping Courtney figure out how to fix her Prius battery. He was so nice.
Together.
What?
Yes. We want to just push it.
Look at him go.
See if the red light. Oh, red light. Yeah.
So, Courtney says that the bins here are too expensive, so headed to Home Depot.
We're doing great. We're doing so good.
Wow, wow, wow. We found it.
Gallons, $8.98.
You
Not
were
21.
right. Realizing that there were cheaper bins around the corner, we went down an aisle, and this is where things got a little frustrating.
This lid is...
It turns out the only lid was a broken one for this set, probably why it's so cheap, but we searched anyway.
Do any of the other lids fit? No, that's gonna be too big.
Can we do basic matching? It's an unboxing video! Amazing. Why?
Okay.
No lids. We have our bins. Finally.
At a new price.
So much struggle, and now we're gonna go home and make them.
We're pleased.
To note, Courtney is not an expert, but she's gonna tell us about her compost bin.
This is where I put my veggie scraps, and my roommates, if they put it in my countertop, composters veggie scraps, and if they eat eggs and things like that, but no animal products other than the ones pre-approved on the list you find online. I have a bunch of worms in there. They like to wriggle around and eat the food scraps, and they the worms don't really like citrus or onions that much, so I try not to put a bunch of those scraps in there. The juice goes all the way down to the bottom, and then I dilute the juice or compost tea and water my plants with it, and then my plants get extra green, and I get so happy. My cookie fell in there.
Oh no. Can cookies go in there? Well, it's vegan.
It's a vegan cookie, so it can. You may be questioning why I'm eating a cookie by my compost bin. I am not questioning it, but it's fine.
Wow.
Need to remember what a drill bit looks like, and then we'll be good.
Apparently I can.
And then you do that. Yes. Yes.
You said you bought your worms off Amazon?
Yeah. Well, one time my dad got them from a nursery for me, and then like I accidentally killed them all because apparently I gave them too much protein. It was after Halloween, and we gave them all the pumpkin, and I think that was too much protein for them. So I'm a worm murderess. So then I had to order more on Amazon.
Bottles in the bottom.
Then on top.
So it's been 3 days since I made my compost bin, and she's thriving. She's beautiful inside. Wow, so fancy, fancy, fancy. Well, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.